Hello student, in today's lecture we are going to study about the nervous system and the sense organ in the starfish. Okay, um, just want to revise that we are dealing with the type study of the starfish under the phylum Echinodermata. We have already completed the circulatory system, the systematic position of the starfish, then respiration in starfish, digestive system in starfish, the morphological characters of the starfish, the type of pedicellariae in starfish, um, then excretion in starfish, water-vascular system in starfish. We have already dealt with these topics. Now we are studying. Now we will see the nervous system and the sense organs in the starfish. The nervous system in the starfish is a primitive type, and it is closely connected with the epidermis of the skin. Just like the other system of the body, it is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means what? The symmetry of a body in which you can split, the body can be split into two equal halves by any plane passing through the central axis. Okay, that from the top to the bottom. Okay, and this is and the animal which will be exhibiting a radially symmetrical will termed as a radiata, and as the nervous system in the phylum Echinodermata under the example starfish, the nervous system will be in the form of radially symmetrical. Okay, and it is made up of a nerve cells and the network of a nerve fibers which will be concentrated in some places to form as a nerve strands. Okay, the nervous system is of a four types and which will be interrelated to each other. The first one is the neural nervous system, or it is also known as a superficial nervous system. Then second is the deep oral nervous system. Third is the arboreal cephalic nervous system, and fourth is the endodermal nervous system. So these are the four types of nervous system which are found in a starfish. The first is the ectoneural nervous system. It consists of the central in the ectoneural nervous system consists of a central circumoral nerve ring which will be enclosing the mouth. This nervous system will extend to the tips of the arm, okay, in the form of the 5 radial nerves, okay, which will be originated in the circumoral nerve ring, and that will be moved towards the tip of the arms, okay, where each terminates in an eye. The 5 radial nerves are situated below the radial ambulacral vessels. From the radial nerve branches arises to the tube feet. Hence the component of this nervous system are developed from the ectoderm, and it is that's why called as a ectoneural nervous system, and the function is they act as a sensory function. Okay, the next type of nervous system is the deep oral nervous system. It is developed from the mesoderm, and it is in motor in function. Okay, that is in the movement, motor. It consists of a double circumoral nerve ring which will be around the mouth, and also of 5 pairs of the Langerhans nerve extends into the arms. Okay, followed by deep oral nervous system. There is third type, that is arboreal or coelomic nervous system. Arboreal or the coelomic nervous system formed of an arboreal anal nerve ring which in the disc, and there will be 5 nerves in the arms. It is mesodermal in origin and motor in function, similar to that of the deep oral nervous system. The second type is the endodermal nervous system. In endodermal nervous system, is the continuation of the ectoneural nervous system, that it will be also the origin from the ectoderm, and it is located in the wall of the alimentary canal, and it will act as a sensory in function. Okay, so this is about the nervous system in a starfish and the 4 different type of nervous system that are found in starfish. Okay, now we will see about the sense organs. The sense organs of a starfish contains 2 types, that is neurosensory cells and eyes. Okay, only 2 type of sense organs are found in a starfish. First is the neurosensory cells and second is the eyes. So first we will see the neurosensory cells. The neurosensory cells are specialized sensory cells that will be distributed throughout the epidermis. Okay, and they are abundant in tentacles, cupid, and the base of the pedicellariae. Okay, they are the fusiform in nature and are connected to the nerve fibers. They may be tactile or the olfactory in function. So this neurosensory cells are tactile and olfactory in function. Okay, the second type of sensory organs are eyes. So in starfish there are 5 eyes which will be situated at the terminal end of the arms beneath the tentacles. Okay, each eye is made up of numerous eye pits, or also known as the ocelli. Each eye pit is in the form of a cup shape. It is filled with the transparent gelatinous tissue, and the mouth of the cup has the lenses, which is covered by a cuticle. Okay, the wall of the cup is made up of pigments and the retinal cell. The inner end of each retinal cell is in the form of the bulb-like, and that will project into the cavity of the eye pit, and other end is connected to the nerve fibers. So the cup of the eye, okay, in starfish will be having a 2 end. The inner end of retinal cell will be having a bulb-like projection, and the another that will having a cavity for the eye pit. Okay, whereas the other end will be connected to the nerve fibers. The eye cannot form an image, but it detects the changes in the light intensity. Okay, so this is the function of the eyes in starfish. So with this we have completed the nervous system and the sensory organs or sense organs in a starfish. If you have any question regarding these topics or regarding the type study of the starfish, then please let me know. Okay, thank you student, have a nice day.